Hi kids, in today's video we're going to cover the last part of mixed complements, that is plus 9. How will I do plus 9 on Abacus? Okay, when I don't have enough beads left, right? I have 5 with me. Mixed complement series it is. So we're going to take complicated questions. My plus 5 I have. Now I have to do plus 9. Formula of plus 9, plus 10, minus 1. Add God, less friend, plus 10, minus 1. Okay. Plus 10, minus 1. I don't have beads for minus 1. I know minus 1's formula, small friends, minus 5 plus 2. Clear? In mixed complement, this is sure that 10 will be done easily. I'm talking about pluses series. 10 will be done easily. When you won't have beads left for minus, no, the other number that is minus bead, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, that will be done by small friends only. Okay? I have to do minus 1 now, minus 5 plus. Let's do a complicated formula. Add 6, add 9. This is also add 9, add 10 less 1. But the way of doing it is different. This is big friends. What we are doing, like if I tell you to do plus 9 now, plus 10, this is also plus 9, minus 1, same formula, but application different. This is mixed complement. Getting it? Now let's do plus 3. I did plus 5 because I don't have beats for 3. Plus 5 minus 2. Now minus 3. I don't have beats again for minus 3. Minus 5 plus 2. Now plus 8. I don't have beats for plus 8. Again plus 10 minus 2. Answer is 32. Clear? Clear, ma'am. Okay. Now easy one. Add 6. Add 3. Less 6. Add 5. Less 3. Add 9. Add 9 is add God less friend. Add 5. Add 10 less 1. Add 10 less 1. Okay, sorry for the 5 in between. Okay, add 10 less 1. My answer is 40. Okay. Any other doubts you can drop in the comment section. Okay, we'll get back to you. Okay, see you. Bye bye.